Linked drop-down columns help you maintain data integrity by connecting the options in a drop-down list directly to the values in a column on a separate source sheet. When you update the source sheet, every connected drop-down column automatically updates. This ensures that every team member uses the correct, most current list of values across all related sheets. Let's walk through how to set up linked drop-down columns. In this case, you want to keep your list of department IDs consistent across your portfolio. First, you'll want to ensure you have a source sheet. You can use this department reference sheet as your source sheet. Here is where you manage important department information. You can use these columns as drop-down columns on other sheets. It's important to note that either text or drop-down list column types can act as source columns. Now let's go to your target sheet. You want to add the department ID column to your equipment request sheet. Select Workspace. Select Equipment Requests. To set up linked drop-down columns, you must work in Table View. After creation, the data persists in all views. Here is where you track all equipment requests from your staff. You want to add a column to track the department ID. Hover your mouse between the status column and the building column. Select the blue addition sign. Then from the list of column types, select drop-down list. Name the column department ID. Then toggle on link to another sheet. To find your source sheet, you can either paste in the sheet link or select the blue addition sign. Now you can find your source sheet. Select the department reference sheet. Then click Select. Now your source sheet is linked. Use the drop-down menu to select the source column. All text and drop-down list columns appear as source options. Select Department ID as your source column. Select Apply. Now your column has been created. All of the column values from the source sheet now appear as drop-down options. It's important to note that you cannot edit the list of drop-down options on the target sheet, but whenever you make updates on the source sheet, those updates will be reflected here. Now you can use your department ID list on various sheets in your portfolio while keeping it current in only one place, the source sheet. The linked drop-down columns also work anywhere the column is being used, such as Forms or Dynamic View. Let's add the department ID field to the equipment request form that your employees use. Select Forms. Select Manage Forms. Then select the form named Equipment Request. Next, select Edit. Now in the Field section, you can select Department ID to add that field to the form. Next, you can toggle on Required to ensure all employees filling out the form include their department ID. Select Save. Then select Open Form to preview the experience for end users. Here you can see the department ID field is included, and by opening the drop-down menu, you can see all of the options defined on the source sheet. With linked drop-down columns, everything stays in sync, choices stay consistent, and your work flows from one reliable source. Check it out today or learn more in the Smartsheet Help Center. Thanks for watching.